how to adjust the clutch on your Black+Decker cordless drill. Now, to activate the clutch, you want to turn this section here. So this is the chuck, this is the tightening screw, and this is your mode selector. So you have hammer, drill, and then once you come into the numbers, this is the clutch. So number 1 will take the least amount of pressure on the drill bit to activate the clutch. So you could be drilling, and there you go, it activated the clutch when there was too much pressure on the drill bit. Then you can just go up like that. I'll now hold this section because it'll be a lot harder. And there you go, you've activated the clutch, and it goes all the way up to 10, and then you'll need more pressure on the drill bit and the chuck to activate the clutch. So that's how to activate your clutch on the Black+Decker cordless drill. If you found this video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.